In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Deferit Account Restricted 2025. If you've opened the app and found your account restricted, don't worry. This usually points to something straightforward like an overdue payment, a verification check, or details that need an update. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can get back on track quickly and safely. Start by checking your email and your in-app notifications. Deferit typically explains why an account is restricted and what action they need from you. Look for messages in your inbox and spam or junk folders, and open the app to see any banners or alerts on your dashboard. Read the notice carefully and note any instructions or deadlines. If a link is provided, use it from within the app or the official website, not from a forwarded message. It can help to take a quick screenshot of the notice so you have the wording handy as you move through the fix. If the restriction is due to missed payments, clear any overdue bills next. Open your billing or payments section and settle the outstanding amount in full. Make sure your funding source has enough balance and wait for the payment confirmation. If the screen doesn't update right away, give it a moment, then refresh or sign out and back in. Some systems take a short time to reflect the new status, so a little patience here can save you repeated attempts. If a payment fails, don't retry multiple times in a row. Check your card details and your bank before trying again. If the message mentions verification or account details, update your information. Confirm your name and address match your payment method, check that your date of birth is correct, and replace any expired card on file. If you're asked for supporting documents, upload clear, readable copies through the secure in-app flow. Consistent, accurate information prevents repeat restrictions and helps automated checks pass smoothly. If you've reviewed the notice, paid any overdue bills, and updated your details, but the restriction remains, reach out to Deferit support. Use the in-app help or the official support page, briefly explain what you saw and what you've already done, and include any relevant reference numbers from the app. Keep an eye on your inbox for their reply and follow their guidance exactly. To wrap up, check your messages, resolve overdue bills, update your info, and contact support if needed. Most restrictions lift automatically once the underlying issue is fixed. Stay proactive with payments and keep your details current to prevent this from happening again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your account running smoothly